how to create a quick paper cut design in Illustrator. Then go over here, select the rectangle tool, and I'm going to create with blue initially. Go to the Curvature tool in the Tools panel, select that for quite a nice curve, and you go around and you can create any shape. So I'm just going to go with something like that and click there just to close the path. Go to the Selection tool, select both of them. Go to the Path Finder, and you can find that in the window menu, and Path Finder minus front. Just go there, click that. So now you've got this shape. Go to Effect with that selected and go to Stylize and Drop Shadow. And just go with default, click OK. Once you've done that, you can hold down the Alt or Option key and drag just to duplicate it. And you can use the same design. So there's the blue one there, but I'm going to turn it to, say, red. Then hold down the Alt or Option key and then drag it again. I'm going to go with green. And again, Alt or Option key and yellow. And you could have 15 or 20, doesn't matter. I'm just going to go with 4, otherwise it just takes forever. Now what you can do, go here. Go to the Direct Selection tool, and I'm going to use this one. Just going to select that one, even though it shows it green there, it is actually yellow. And what you can do, just select on a point, and you can just drag downward, just drag down or move it up. Now the ones that are on top is probably going to be best to move upwards and sort of further out. But up to you, and drag that. You can create all kinds of unique shapes, and again, just select that, go around the curve, select that. Now, you might not want to have that on top. You can just remove it for now, just make it not visible in the Layers panel. Select this one and then go around this curve and select that point and just modify it and tweak it. Just drag that up. And you can always tweak it later. So once you've actually got your design, you can then look at it and think, you know what, I don't like the way the curve is done. You can always modify it. So this is just using the Direct Selection tool. You can shift this path in all kinds of ways. Just keep it nice and round. And again, you can deselect that one and select this one. And drag that out or drag that in. Select that, drag it in and drag it out. Just a reshape feature, really useful. And again, just get rid of that one. And now with this one, the blue one, select that. And just drag. And since that's the lowest one, you might want to drag that to make it a bit smaller. Okay, so you've got that design. Now what you can do, simply just go here and make certain they're all turned on. Now at the moment it doesn't look much because of course they're all out of position. So select all of them. They're all selected using the Selection tool. Go up here and you've got alignment. So click this one and click this one. And then you've got your design. And of course you can always go here and select each of those individual paths to select there and tweak that curve if you want to modify it. Also, you'll notice there's a slight issue here because of the drop shadow. You've got a drop shadow here. You might not like that. Well, what you can do, just go here to the rectangle tool again, or another shape if you want another shape, and just use the rectangle, drag over the whole thing like that. Now, make it slightly smaller. Then select all of them. Then go to Object and Clip in Mask and Make. And then you've got your design. So you don't see any shadow now. So you can modify again, you can still continue to modify, but there's your paper cut design. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please let me know in the comments below. Thank you much.